Esprit's 5-axis contouring cutting strategy allows the CNC programmer to cut along one or more profiles defined by a curve or any other geometric element defined in a CAD application. Thanks to the versatility of the cycle, you can easily chamfer edges along a 3D curve when the chamfer is not designed on the edges of the 3D model. The interface is designed to provide the user with easy-to-set parameters, providing total control of tool axis movements, such as line-in angles or cross angles. With Esprit's 5-axis contouring cutting strategy, you can also undercut edges on the internal faces of the model.